Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete a listing on Zillow. So first, you may want to head over to zillow.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on Manage Rentals or you can simply hover your mouse, then click on My Listings. Now from here in the left panel, make sure that you are in the Properties page. Then next is look for the property or listing that you would like to delete. Say for example, we have this one. So once inside that listing, look for the three dot icon beside it, click on it, and if your current listing is active, you should see an option here that says cancel or deactivate listing. So all you have to do is click on that. In that way, this specific listing will be deleted. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!